Hi guys, welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. Thank you so much for taking the time to log on and join me today for another fantastic day of food. So this morning is a bit irregular. It's a weekend and we got off to quite a rushed start. So we had breakfast on the go because I was going out to take the little ones to see a film at the cinema. Which meant that we had to leave pretty much straight away. So I made a coffee to go and I took a banana, which I happily ate at the cinema. And I planned to get something for brunch on the drive home, which I did. I popped into Sainsbury's and got loads of wonderful ingredients to make a spinach, mushroom, omelette kind of thing with bread and bacon, and it was delicious. So I've actually already had both my breakfast and my lunch, which is not what I normally would do. Normally you would have seen breakfast, I'll intro, and then go on straight to lunch. But yeah, I'm gonna insert lunch now because breakfast was a bit of a nothing, to be honest. Alright, so we've just got back from the cinema and I popped into Sainsbury's because I kind of fancied some kind of eggs with spinach and bacon and mushroom. I thought that would be great considering the fact that I've only had fruit today and I'm quite hungry. So I have some bacon here which I will track. This is just the Sainsbury's Taste the Difference. I also have a couple of mushrooms which of course were going to be free, along with some baby spinach which is free as well. I have some butter here, and also I picked up this lovely soft bread which I'm gonna have as well.
When you are ready, I will surrender. Take me and do as you will. Have what you want, your way's always the best way. I have succumbed to this passive sensation, peacefully falling away. I am the zombie, your wish will command me. Take me and fall to your knees. Bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Can I control this empty delusion, lost in the fire below? And what you want, your way's always the best way. And when you come back, I'll be as you want me, only so eager to please. My little song will keep you beside me, thinking your name as I sing.
And it was absolutely delicious. I would definitely recommend having spinach with eggs more often if you can. I don't have it that frequently, but it's definitely something that I'm gonna have, and it really bulks it up. It was really lovely, and the bread was delicious with the butter and the bacon and the eggs, and it was just great. It really did hit the spot. But now it is time to have my afternoon coffee and a bit of a treat. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to have, and I hope you all enjoy it. And tonight, I haven't mentioned actually, I'm going to be making a red Thai curry, and it's going to be delicious, and it's going to be a really decent point value as well because there's not a lot going on with it apart from the coconut milk, because chicken breast is free, and the oils and things like that. So it should be a really good one, a really lovely autumnal dish, ideal for batch cooking, ideal for cooking for a lot of people as well. And it's so flavourful. I've had it before in a vlog. I'll link that above in case you haven't seen it. But yeah, it should be a great day. But before we get on with dinner, afternoon coffee and a snack.
Oh, bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it.
Okay, so cups of tea have been made. There's one for Andrew and one for myself. And you guys know I like a bit of a treat. And today is going to be like a mega treat because these new M&M bars are insane. This is the peanut butter one, and if you guys like M&Ms and if you like peanut butter, you need to get on this. It's basically a big slab of chocolate, but integrated within the chocolate, it's M&Ms and peanut butter. Like, you have to try it. I don't even want to think about what this is going to be in point value because it will just annoy me, but 6 points per 20 grams, which, you know, that is high because this weighs a ton, but I'm going to weigh out a little chunk of it for me to have with my cup of tea. Oh wow, that's a 28 piece bar. So that little piece alone would cost 8 points. Like, how crazy is that? I'm not gonna have that because I just don't think it's worth it, to be honest. However, I do want a little bit of it because I love it so much. So I'm gonna have, guys, I'm gonna have the bigger chunk. 14 grams, 4 points.
Back, bring it back, sing it back to me. Oh, oh, oh. Come to my sweet melody. Oh, bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back, sing it back to me. Bring it back, sing it back. Bring it back.
So I've just been doing some prep to make the paste, the curry paste for tonight's dinner. I will put all the quantities and the method in the description box down below, so don't worry about that too much. But I have some shallots here that I'm going to halve so they can go in the processor. 3 decent cloves of garlic. I have a red chili, seeds left in to an extent, not fully. I have a red bell pepper, some ginger, lime that I'm going to juice, lemon that I'm going to juice as well. A combination of herbs and spices, which is all going to be in the description box down below. Again, with a tablespoon, I think, of sugar. You can use palm sugar as well if you have it. I don't, so I use Demerara, which I've used before. 2 tablespoons or 2.5 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. And now we're going to put all of this in the processor and it should make a really lovely, vibrant red paste.
Oh, oh, come to my sweet melody.
We're now up to the part where the curry paste is done, so this is going to be the foundation of our curry. We're going to mix it with some coconut milk and that's going to add some thickness. I also have some coconut oil here for frying up our chicken. I have a chicken breast here, which is of course free on WW. I also have a really lovely selection of tomatoes that I'm going to cut in half and pop in there whole. I have some tomato puree and a chicken stock jelly as well. Very simple. So along with salt and pepper, that is pretty much everything you're going to need to complete this curry. So to poach my chicken, I'm gonna get a nice tablespoon of coconut oil. I find that coconut oil really does enhance and complement the other flavours that are in the dish, and it adds a nice mellow sweetness. But if you want to use a calorie controlled spray or rapeseed oil or just regular olive oil or vegetable oil, go ahead. So guys, dinner was absolutely delicious. It's one of my favourite things to cook. It's so flavourful, so enriching and warm. I just love it. In fact, I think I'm going to do it for next month's Cook with Natasha Summar because I feel like you guys need that in your archives. It's so delicious, it's so simple, so quick. So yeah, I'm going to call it a night here, guys. I actually have 2 points to roll over, but I cannot think about eating anymore because I'm so full. The only thing I am going to have is my nightly orange. And that will be it from me. So yeah, don't forget to check out the description box for what I'm wearing, along with recipes and point values and all the information you guys should want to know in regards to that. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new to see more What I Eat in a Day from me. And have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!